It's our son's third birthday today and we are so excited. So in today's video we'll be showing you how we put together this beautiful decoration on a budget, and I bet you want to see his reaction. So I want to start by unboxing our gift. This is a karaoke microphone. It has a speaker attached to it. You just put in a battery and it has a speaker, and we think this was really beautiful. So once you just use the mic, the speaker there just amplifies your voice, and then with the second cord you can attach it to your phone or your MP3 or any other thing. I think it was such a beautiful idea and we knew we had to get it. Guys, if it's your first time on our channel, why don't you click the subscribe button and turn on notification bell so whenever we upload our vlogs like this you get to see it. And if you are a returning subscriber, as always, thank you so much. Next, our second present was this train set. I really loved this personally because our son loves train a lot. He's always trying to mimic train in the house, and then we thought this was such a beautiful idea. So this is us just trying to set up the train racks first of all, and then the train has you just put in one battery and then the thing just moves on its own. So I think it was a really beautiful one too. So we decided to just set this up, and then once you're done putting it on the rack, you turn it on and then it just moves. We got this for about 4,500 naira in a mall close to us, and we got the microphone for about 4,750 at the same mall. So this is our cake. Next, we just were like, okay, let's put the cake in the middle of this train rack, so it would just, the train rack would just help to bring more beauty to the cake, because we actually didn't want to get a personalized cake because of cost. So we just got this at a restaurant close to us, and I think this costed us about 9,000 naira. But if we were to customize it, that'd be way more expensive. So we decided to just add in some sprinkles, some candles, and this happy birthday design just to add more beauty to the cake. The candles and the happy birthday design came in a pack of 12 and it was about 1,100, but then we needed just 3, and the sprinkles was just about 600 naira for the cup, and then we didn't even use up to half of it. Next, we had this basketball set, and guys, this is one of my favorites. This was actually my favorite gift, and yeah, that's true. If you've been watching till now, let me know which of these gifts do you think is going to enjoy the most. I'll be looking out to see it in the comment section. So this is the basketball set. From the moment we saw this, we knew we wanted to get something like this for him, just things to keep him busy and things we know would not spoil on time. So since this you don't connect it or anything, we just felt like, oh, this is really durable and this would last. And besides, even as he keeps getting older, he can always make use of it. So we got this at an online store for about 65,000 naira, 63,000 naira actually, and this was the cheapest we could get considering the other vendors we spoke to. So next, we'll just be blowing up all the balloons to add more beauty. We decided to just invite our special guest of honor. So we got all our children's teddies together and then just wore them these party hats, and I really feel like it added lots of beauty to this. And then we decided to just arrange all our gifts and then blow up so many balloons that we could just use to decorate the parlor. Guys, if you've been watching till now and you've not subscribed, come on, what are you waiting for? Make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on notification bell, you don't want to miss out on any of our vlogs. And guys, let me know what you think about this setup. Is there something you think we could have done or something you think we shouldn't have done? Just let us know. But at the end of the day, this is how it was looking, so beautiful. And to think that it didn't really cost us so much to put this together, we were really excited. So guys, why don't you wait to see his reaction? Jesus! Yeah! What's that? Yeah! If. Hooray! Good Lord, yes.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride. Go more. Hold you for life. So tight, coming closer.
You can tell he absolutely had an amazing time. It was so fun, and then just knowing we could, have so much fun just by ourselves in the house was so amazing. Guys, let me know what you think about this video. Do you have a birthday celebration coming in soon, and are you planning to take one or two ideas from this video? Let me know in the comment section, and of course I would love to see your wishes for our little boy in the comment section. Thank you so much, fam, for watching. Make sure you click the subscribe button if you have not yet done so. Turn on notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our vlogs. I bet you don't want to. I will catch you in our next video. Bye.